Hello kids. F is for? Can you guess? Let's learn fun F words together. Ready? Let's go. It is a sweet fruit. What is this? Fruits. Can you say it? Fruits. F is for fruits. You eat it. What is this? Food. Can you say it? Food. F is for food. You wear it to stay warm. What is this? Fur. Can you say it? Fur. F is for fur. It shines brightly. What is this? Fire. Can you say it? Fire. F is for fire. It is a sea animal. What is this? Frog. Can you say it? Frog. F is for frog. You see it on your hand. What is this? Fingers. Can you say it? Fingers. F is for fingers. It is a wild animal. What is this? Fox. Can you say it? Fox. F is for fox. It is a bird. What is this? Falcon. Can you say it? Falcon. F is for falcon. Who sell flowers? Who is this? Florist. Can you say it? Florist. F is for florist. It grows in a garden and smells nice. What is this? Flower. Can you say it? Flower. F is for flower. It swims in water. What is this? Fish. Can you say it? Fish. F is for fish. You wear it on your feet. What is this? Footwear. Can you say it? Footwear. F is for footwear. You use it to cool yourself. What is this? Fan. Can you say it? Fan. F is for fan. It is seeds. What is this? Fenugreek seeds. Can you say it? Fenugreek seeds. F is for fenugreek seeds. You eat it, it is long and crunchy. What is this? French fries. Can you say it? French fries. F is for French fries. You wear it on your face. What is this? Face mask. Can you say it? Face mask. F is for face mask. You can jump over it. What is this? Fence. Can you say it? Fence. F is for fence. It is a sweet fruit. What is this? Fig. Can you say it? Fig. F is for fig. What is this? Farm. Can you say it? Farm. F is for farm. It is used to catch fish. What is this? Fishing net. Can you say it? Fishing net. F is for fishing net. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter G. Keep learning.